What's going on YouTube? CEO in the making, back with another video, and today we're taking a look at two pairs of true wireless earbuds that come in around the $30 price point, and that is the SoundPeats Q as well as the Mpow Mbits. And actually right now the SoundPeats Q I think you can get for like 26 bucks, and I see the Mpow Mbits go on sale all the time. I've seen them as low as I think like 19 bucks. So if you're looking to save as much money as possible and still get some good sound quality out of a pair of true wireless earbuds, these are going to be two great options to consider. So right here in this video, we're going to talk about the similarities, the differences, and hopefully help you guys decide which one will be the best option for you. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So starting off with the charging cases, they both have a matte finish all the way around. And as you can see with the Mpow case, it does have a slightly slimmer design, so it might take up a little bit less space whenever placed into a pocket. One thing that's worth pointing out is that the LED indicator lights on the Mpow case are on the outside, whereas the indicator light on the SoundPeats case is on the inside. So it's a little bit more convenient with the Mpow case since you don't necessarily have to open the case to gauge your battery life. Another key difference is that the SoundPeats case supports wireless charging, whereas the Mpow case does not. So if wireless charging is a feature that's important to you, the SoundPeats have you covered. Moving on to the earbuds, as you can see, you're getting that long stem design with both of the earbuds, although the stem on the Mpow is noticeably longer than the stem on the SoundPeats. So we'll see if that translates into better microphone quality later in the video. So with the Mpow earbuds, you are getting a more subdued look. As you can see, there's no branding or anything like that. Whereas on the SoundPeats, you do have that SoundPeats logo featured right on the touch surface. So both earbuds are running Bluetooth 5.0 and each of them support independent use. So if you want to extend your battery life by wearing one of the earbuds while the other remains in the charging case, not going to be a problem for either one of these. As far as battery life, with the SoundPeats, you're looking at roughly 7 hours on a single charge, and that extends to a total of 21 hours with the charging case. With the Mpow, you're looking at roughly 6 hours on a single charge, and that extends to a total of 35 hours with the charging case. So not exactly a huge difference with the per charge use of each of these earbuds, but you are getting noticeably more reserved battery life with the Mpow. As far as water resistance, the SoundPeats are coming with a rating of IPX5, and the Mpow is coming with a rating of IPX8. So the Mpow is going to be the better option if you're a very active person. Now let's go ahead and do a latency test to see how each of the earbuds perform. So when it comes to the fit, there's honestly not any huge differences between the two. As long as you have the right size ear tips, both of these are going to provide you with a very secure fit. So either one of these is going to be perfectly fine for hitting the gym or doing any other types of activities. As far as the touch controls, both earbuds are giving you access to everything. So you get your play and pause, your track controls, your volume controls, as well as your voice assistant. One thing I will say is that I found the controls on the Mpow to be a little bit more consistent compared to the SoundPeats. And I think it's because the touch surface on the Mpow is more seamless, whereas the touch surface on the SoundPeats is that circle that you can see there. So you have to make sure that each time you touch it, you're getting right inside of that circle. So as far as the sound quality, honestly, you can't really go wrong with either of these earbuds. I mean, for the price, you're definitely getting more than your money's worth in terms of sound. So let's go ahead and start off with the similarities. As far as bass, you're not sacrificing anything with either one of these. I wouldn't classify them as overly bass heavy, but you're definitely getting a nice punch to go along with the mids and highs. So where you start to notice the difference is with the clarity. So the treble on the SoundPeats is much more forward compared to the Mpow, and they also have a louder max volume. But to be fair, I wouldn't really recommend listening to the SoundPeats at max volume because they can get to be a little sharp or piercing. So for me, the sweet spot was around 90% volume. With the Mpow, you're definitely getting a warmer sound. So you're getting that great sounding bass, but the treble is not quite as forward, which honestly is not necessarily a bad thing. I think at that point, it's just a matter of preference. I think both of the earbuds sound great. So you're getting that increased clarity with the SoundPeats, and then you're getting a little better balance with the Mpow, especially at max volume. Now let's go ahead and do a microphone test to give you guys an idea of the call quality. All right, so this is a microphone test of the SoundPeats Q True Wireless Earbuds. So this should give you a rough idea as to how you would sound if you choose to use these earbuds for phone calls. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. And now this is a microphone test of the Mpow Mbits True Wireless Earbuds. So again, this should give you a rough idea as to how you would sound if you choose to use these earbuds for phone calls. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. So that's going to be it for today's video. As you can see, these are both really great options at very affordable prices. So do me a favor, if this video was helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up to help support the channel. Of course, you can always subscribe as well as follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the reviews that I'll have coming up. And if you're interested in either of these earbuds, be sure to check out the affiliate links down in the description. Aside from that, as always, I'll see you guys next time.